How to add music to Facebook profile. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app and navigate to the menu page. Once you're over here, scroll down and head over to the option settings and privacy. Now navigate to the option settings. Here you're gonna find different option. Scroll down and head over to the option profile details. Once you're in this page, you're gonna find different sections over here. Scroll down. You're gonna find the section of music. Click on see all. Now click on this plus icon. You're gonna find list of the songs. You can select the songs that you want to add to your profile. Just click on these songs in this way. Then you can hit back. With that, these songs will be added to this list. Now from this list, you can select the song that you want to add to your profile. All you have to do is head towards the song that you want to add to your Facebook profile. Click on three dots, select the option pin to profile. Now you can navigate to your profile page and check. The song will be added to your Facebook profile. So this way you can easily add music to Facebook profile. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.